What's up, everyone? Blake here at APA Custom Shop, and today we are featuring one clean 66 Ford Mustang Fastback. Right off the bat, we want to showcase some of our favorite features on this vehicle, starting with the absolutely killer torch red paint. In addition, the front end is fitted with a Resto Mod style billet aluminum grille that provides a classic yet aggressive look. Moving inside, this interior is immaculate, maintaining OEM styling with zero wear and tear. Diving into the build, we will be restoring the original Ford small block engine, replacing the stock rear end with a Ford 9-inch featuring a Posi limited slip differential, setting up Willwood Dynapro big brake kit, and updating the entire front end with components from Moog suspension. First on the list, we pulled the engine out of the car to complete a full overhaul. Starting with the rotating assembly, we are running a set of Icon premium forged pistons along with Eagle H-beam forged rods. Tying it all together, we run Clevite bearings throughout with Felpro seals and gaskets. To increase flow and pull additional power from this platform, we are going with Edelbrock E-Street cylinder heads featuring a comp cam and chromoly push rods. Now that the foundation is laid for the long block, we wrap things up with a Holley 600 4-barrel carburetor along with Ford Performance valve covers and breathers. With increased horsepower and torque, you must be able to put it down. That's why we scrapped the stock rear end for the legendary Ford 9-inch and fitted it with a Posi limited slip differential. Moving up front, with age comes a lot of steering play and worn ball joints. We dove into the entire front end, replacing all steering components with Moog products to tighten things back up. Now that this chassis is tightened back up and we can put the power down, this old girl needs to be able to stop. For that, we go with none other than Willwood, of course. To be exact, we went with the Willwood Dynapro 6-piston big brake kit up front with stainless steel lines throughout. In addition to looking absolutely awesome, this brake package performs like no other and is specifically developed to work with the classic 15-inch wheels. Whether you are hitting the streets for a car meet on the weekend or plan to tear up the track, this package will tackle it all. Last but not least, it's time to get this thing off the lift, but first we are applying a set of General Ultimax RT45 tires in a staggered fitment. This will provide a somewhat period correct look with modern tire technology that will allow all of our power and suspension improvements to meet the road. Well everyone, that wraps up this amazing 66 Ford Mustang Fastback. It was an absolute honor to work with this beautiful car, and we cannot wait to get it back to the owner. Thanks for watching, be sure to tune in for the next one, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.